Now, my suggestion is if you do Amazon affiliate marketing and using Pinterest, when I started this in May, I was looking at summer items, swimsuits, family time, game time, board games, all that. Because you think of spring, summer, and fall, families getting together, summer fashions. And like I said, I only did 497 pins, and I've got 15,000 basically monthly views. And all of it is strictly Amazon products. I will try the follow, unfollow, and in 10, 11 weeks, I've done right at 500 pins, which isn't bad, but I would suggest that when you do pin, because it is summer, you don't want to pin for Christmas because a lot of people aren't looking for Christmas, Thanksgiving, and stuff like that. Now, as things come up, then start pinning for fall fashions, things for your car, like car covers and winter gear, and go from there. The reason I wanted to do this was I got 3 sales, and I was like, let me go home, make this video. I don't care if I'm in my work uniform. I want to share this. So this is another way to maybe get more sales with Pinterest. So far you've seen I've got 15,000 views, which in that short amount of time, that's not bad. When I started it, I was doing 20, 30 pins every day. And birthday came, I was like, I'm taking a break in the last couple of weeks because I'm looking into doing something else, which I will share shortly, once I figure everything out and get together. But try that. Let me know your success and how that came about for you. So, till next time, talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.